In this video, we are going to learn how to create table in Microsoft Word. Now, in order to create table in your Word document, all you need to do is to come to this section, Insert. Click on Insert, then you are going to see Table. Click on Table, then you have this option where you can select the number of rows you want and the number of columns you want. As you can see, it is changing. The more I hover on it, the more it changes. So as you can see, just select it based on the number of rows and columns that you wanted to work with. But not to worry too much about this, because you can easily add more rows and more columns, and you can easily split cells along the way. If you think you need more cells or more rows than you have before, you can easily do that along the way. So now, for instance now, I only need to work with this 2 rows and 3 columns. Maybe I'm okay with that. So then I'll click on it. Then it's going to apply this table. Let me quickly fill up the table. As you can see, I've filled up the table in order to save our time. So you can easily add more rows and more columns. For if I have more data to work with than the number of rows and columns that I have, for instance now, so you can easily come to this section. You can see this plus icon. Just click on the plus icon, then it's going to add more rows. As you can see, click on it, it's going to add more rows. Can you see? So that is how you can add more rows. Also, if I needed more columns to work with, I can easily come to this section, then click on it. It's going to apply more columns for us. Can you see? It's going to apply more columns. So you can also split cells. For instance, now if I want to split these cells, I will right click my mouse, then I will come to this section which is split cells. Click on split cells, then you are going to specify the number of rows and the number of columns that you need. Now I'm going to increase the number of columns to 4, then I'm going to increase the number of rows to 3. So once I click on it, then I'm going to click on OK. Then it's going to apply more rows and more columns. So that is how you can split cells. Also, you can do your formatting using this layout tab. Come to layout. As you can see, you can do any other thing here, like you can insert rows or columns above, insert below, insert left, insert right, and so on and so forth. For instance now, I can also merge cells or split cells like I did previously. Now I wanted to merge all these cells. Now in order to merge the cells, I'll click on merge cells. So it's going to merge everything and everything will become one. Let's click on it to see how it works. Can you see? So it has merged everything and everything has become one. Also, in order to change the table styles, so just click on the table, then you are going to come to this table design. Click on this table design, then you can play with anyone around here. As you can see, it is changing. So now click on this drop down, then I'm going to select this one. As you can see, the table style has changed currently. So that is how you can use table in your Word document, and you can easily type anything you want. Can easily type anything, can type along the way. So feel free to work with it based on your preference. Hope you really enjoyed this video. Please show some kindness by subscribing to my channel. This will help me in order to produce more awesome content like this. Also turn on the post notification bell so that each time I upload a new video like this, you'll be the first person to be updated. Let me know in the comment section below any of the Microsoft Word tutorial you wanted me to create for you, and I'll be ready to do that. See you all in my next video.